Hello everyone, my name is Deepak. Today I am going to show you our GPS tracker for vehicles.
This is GVT model by GPS Champ. This is our highest selling model as it works for all the vehicles including cars, trucks, buses and even two-wheelers. It looks classy with ABS plastic body. It has slightly transparent glossy finish on top. Its quality and finish is way better than the rest of the GPS trackers available in the market. It is waterproof and it can be installed in vehicles easily using couplers without cutting any wires. In the box you get a GPS tracker, relay, SOS button, installation wire, warranty card and an instruction manual. GVT03 is loaded with many features like real-time location, ignition alerts, remote cutoff, AC reports, door alerts, and magnet door open and close controls. You can check the location of your vehicle anytime from anywhere in the world through our powerful mobile apps. Mobile apps are available on Android, App Store, and Windows Store. Get in touch with our team for a free demo today. Our products are also available on Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, and eBay.